Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy summer and long time no see. I know I haven't been on here for a minute, but there's a few reasons for that. One of that being that this summer we took an epic camping trip and road trip through Utah. So I did film a little bit and wanted to share with you just a vlog of what we were doing. So I've done a few videos in the past with some of my ideas for camping and road trips, and with two kids now, I tried to grab as much footage as I could, but it was definitely chaotic. So I'm gonna share what I was able to capture. One thing is I do put together a first aid kit that doubles as something I keep in the car for the actual road trip and then works also when we're camping. So I take all of this out of the packaging and just organize it in our backpack that we can take with us. Also, their Grandma Jay made these adorable camping adventure booklets for them to journal in, but also had a packing list. Isn't that so cute?
Fishing gear? No.
We got to get that organized.
Swimsuit? Check.
Now, we always have that transition from like farm life to, okay, now we're taking this show on the road. Our truck never seems to be clean. We live on a dirt road. We constantly have hay and feed in the back, so we're cleaning that out to prepare for packing for camping.
What are you doing up there, mister? This is the greenhouse, which we have not put together yet, but we will.
We do have a farm sitter when we are gone, which is much needed because there's a lot to take care of, the animals, the garden. We are home now, but we were gone for a few weeks, so I'm just starting to kind of get back to editing, and there's plenty of work that needs to be done in the garden. I took this video before we left because my echinacea just started to pop, but now I have a ton of it, so I will do an updated garden tour. I'm going to harvest this for some echinacea tea for the fall very soon, and then we have to build the greenhouse.
Oh! Come on, you got this next one. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Oh, good one. I gotta help Daddy now, okay? I'm gonna go help Dad.
So we store our camping and road trip items in these sort of like big bins that have tops. So they're really dusty right now, but we just sort of dust them off. We take everything out and put it on the garage floor on a tarp just to sort of cross-check to make sure we have everything. And then we put everything back in the bins, and that's actually, we put that in the back of our truck, and that's what we use for packing the truck. Now for the road trip itself, snacks and entertainment are key. So I have this great little organizer. It's collapsible, so easy storage. I keep it in the garage in our camping and road trip section, and then I bring it out. I put lots of snacks in there. I usually put wipes, also some drinks, things that are easy for my kids to grab, and I put it right in between the two of them. There was also some fun camping and road trip accessories that I brought for the boys just to sort of make it fun and entertaining.
So we got our little kitchen bin. So this is like our little dishwasher area for when we're camping with all of our dishes, and we're gonna put soap in here. So we're gonna do another grocery run in Utah before we head up to the mountain that we're camping, but this is just our initial pantry. Looks like a glove.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we are. Did you press record? We're going to Utah. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever.
In each of the boys' bags, they had road trip bingo, which their Grandma Jay also got them. That was cute. And then just having like a playlist of plenty of music, books. We stopped in Vegas first, so we decided to just go take the kids to a fun aquarium and do lots of swimming at the pool the first day, and then we headed to Utah the next day, and that's when our camping adventures began. Our first leg of the trip in Utah, we stopped in Zion National Park to meet up with Byron's dad and his wife, to just meet up as a family, check out Zion National Park, and then we stayed at a campsite just outside of Zion because it was pretty crowded there. So my husband's dad has an RV, so they brought their RV, which the kids loved and had a great time hanging out in, but we do tent camping. We don't have an RV at this point in our life. We'd maybe like to get one day, or maybe do like an update or a remodel of an older version of one. So, but for now, we're just sort of enjoying camping with a tent. And Byron found this really great pop-up tent on Amazon. It made life really easy, especially when it came to this trip, because we were setting up camp at several different locations. So to be able to just pop it open, stake it, and then throw our sleeping bags in there and start getting organized, it made our camp setup a lot quicker and easier and smoother. So we pulled out all the bins, which has all of the sleeping bags and accessories, and we started to set up camp at our first location.
Sure. What are you doing over here, mister?
Being a sloth.
You're being a sloth? It's pretty nice in the tree, huh?
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
So this location is called Bowers Canyon Ranch RV Park. It's just outside of Zion. It's pretty quiet and relaxing and peaceful. It was really nice, and we stayed in each location for 2 nights. Every location is a little bit different, but this one did have bathrooms, showers, and even a laundry room if you wanted to do laundry on the premises.
Getting ready for the party.
Spent the first 2 nights camping just outside of Zion National Park. We got a chance to see the park. And a fun thing to do with the kids when you go to national parks is they have visitor centers where you can go and check out, they have like some fun souvenirs and things like that, but also they have little passports that you can stamp. It's fun for the kids to just see that they've gone to all of the different national parks, and a fun little keepsake. So yeah, we would go really briefly to the visitor center, and then we headed out to our next location. I don't think I grabbed any video of the next location, which was the White Bridge Campground. This one was a little bit more remote, and we stayed here for 2 nights, primarily so that we could get some good fishing in.
Good one, bud.
Our next location was called Thousand Lakes RV Park in Torrey, Utah. This location was absolutely stunning, and all of them were different and beautiful for different reasons. I did try to take a few moments at each location to sort of film what we were up to, but there's a lot of work to get done, and we definitely have to be teamwork. Luckily, we got our camp set up just in time before a storm hit. Since we got a chance to see all of the national parks in Utah, Bryce Canyon was one of those, and it was just absolutely stunning.
Bryce Canyon.
Besides seeing the amazing national parks, we went on many scenic rides and also lots of beautiful hikes, fishing, and just had a really nice, relaxing time together as a family. Finally, we went to the Moab Valley RV Park and Campground where Byron's family parked their RV, and then we tent camped. I only got this footage of me and Oliver playing the chess, but this was a really family-friendly location, a little bit more crowded than the others, less remote, right there in Moab. It was close to a bunch of really fun shops. I loved it there. Gosh, I really loved Moab, Utah. And they also had a pool here, so the kids loved to play in the pool. They had showers and laundry and all that stuff. So I was able to kind of get some laundry done since we had been gone for a while, and played some chess with Oliver. They also had golf and some other really fun games. And then we had a chance to go visit the Arches National Park. Arches National Park was incredible. It's really hard, to capture how beautiful it is, even with a good camera. It's nothing like seeing it in person. This was probably my favorite spot that we visited, although I really loved all of them, and I wanted to see all of the national parks in Utah, and that was definitely something I wanted to do. So to be able to do all of this with my family and just have a really enjoyable summer vacation was really meaningful and really awesome. So I tried to capture as much as I could to share with you while also being present and really being in the moment. So yeah, I'm hoping to share more camping videos in the future with you, such as like my capsule packing when I go camping for myself and the kids and all that. But I do have videos that I've done on camping previously, so you can check those out. If you like my channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye.